Hello, everyone. Today, I will be showing you how to create a bar graph that shows the amount of retirement savings in the top 5 biggest continental United States. So what I did was I created a Google spreadsheet and labeled it Retirement Savings Bar Graph. So if we come over to the spreadsheet, we're going to label column A the state, and then we're going to label column B the amount of retirement savings. Now we are going to use the information from GoBankingRates.com to help us create our bar graph. So if we come over to GoBankingRates.com, the first continental United State that we will be finding the amount of retirement savings for is Texas. So if we scroll down a little bit, as we can see here, the amount of retirement savings in the state of Texas is $785,109. So if we come back over to the spreadsheet, we're going to put in the state name, which is Texas. And then we're going to put in the amount of retirement savings, which is $785,109. The next state is California. So if we scroll up a little bit, as we can see here, the amount of retirement savings in the state of California is $1,332,457. The next state is Montana. So as we can see here, the amount of retirement savings in the state of Montana is $891,368. The next state is New Mexico. So as we can see here, the amount of retirement savings in the state of New Mexico is $928,181. The last continental United State that we will be finding the amount of retirement savings for is Arizona. So as we can see here, the amount of retirement savings in the state of Arizona is $991,560. Now that all of the information has been entered, we are ready to create our bar graph. So we're going to come up and select Insert, and then we're going to select Chart. Now from here, we're going to select Column Chart. Now as we can see here, this bar graph is showing us the amount of retirement savings versus the state. So as we can see here, we have the state name on the x-axis, and we have the amount of retirement savings on the y-axis. So the last thing that we're going to do is label our bar graph. You can choose to label this bar graph whatever you would like. I'm going to label it Amount of Retirement Savings in U.S. States. And there you have it. Now you know how to create a bar graph that shows the amount of retirement savings in US states. I hope you found this video to be helpful and useful. If you have, then please be sure to leave a like, comment, share, and also subscribe as well. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!